Hey everyone, Michael Coovadia here, and in this video I just decided to speak about moving forward when you don't really see any results at all. Now, you need to bear with me because I'm currently hiking. I found a new place to stay at for the next 2 months and I absolutely love it. And continuously moving through my brain is, coming to this point in life where I'm able to do this, where I don't have to worry about where it's going to come from. I live in an abundant state. And I know that most of you at this moment in time wish that you guys had this for yourselves, right? Many people wish that they were able to travel the world and able to do exactly what I do. They were able to see their clients across the entire globe and were able to work on their terms, right? But you don't necessarily have that. And you continuously put pressure on yourselves to get that. And this is why I wanted to make this video, to actually speak to you about moving forward when you don't see any results. Now, when I started 5 years ago, I always had this definite plan. If you speak to anyone that I know, right, every single person that is successful will tell you about the importance of a definite plan. Without a definite plan, you basically you're drifting around doing nothing at all. But when you do have a definite plan and when you do know exactly what it is you want to achieve, you'll be able to achieve it. In my previous video, which I'll attach a link just down below in the description, you can hear more about a definite plan. But even when you have a definite plan, results are not overnight. The only place that happens is on social media. People post fake pictures, post pictures in front of cars that they don't have, in front of homes that they don't own, just for instant gratification. That's not real at all, and most of the time, these people are so unhappy. But what happens when you put an applied effort over a given period of time? This is what you will be able to achieve. I started off at 20 years old, 6 years down the line, and I'm living my absolute dream life. But in the very beginning, it wasn't like this. And this is why I want to make this video. What do you do when you're doing the work, but results are not coming, right? It's because you need to stop focusing on the result, but focus on what you're trying to achieve. The moment I was able to switch my mindset from focusing on the result to what I wanted to achieve and how I wanted to do that, I was able to enjoy the journey a lot more, right? Here's a simple analogy. Think of going through to the gym. Anyone that you know for that matter of time. They're not going to get results in a week, 2 weeks, or even 3 weeks, right? They're going to need to take a long period of time to get their body to where it wants to go. So think about someone walking into the gym, seeing somebody else bench pressing 300 kilos, right? And you go, it's your very first day in the gym, you put the weight plates on the bar, you line yourself up, shoulders back, you're arching your back, you take that deep breath in, and you try and push the weight. It's just not going to work at all, right? You're not going to be able to lift that weight up at all, no matter what you do. But why do you think that's the case? Because the person that's bench pressing 300 kilos didn't do that overnight. They started off exactly at day one, building up gradually, and it took them years in order to be able to get there. So no matter what you see on social media and how successful these people might seem and how quick they might be able to help you, right? It never happens that way at all. Real results, a life of true purpose and true meaning, takes time. You have to be willing to invest the time and make the sacrifices in order to be able to move forward. Just like that young boy, right, walking into the gym in the first day, aspiring to bench 300 kilos as well, just like the bodybuilder that he saw in the gym, he has to start somewhere. The only way that you can get that results basically, overnight is by using steroids, which I consider Instagram social media, because these people don't really have real lives, but they're posting as if it is their real life, and it just isn't the real deal at all. So instead of focusing on the result, focus on what you need to do to get there. Focus on the main purpose, right? And you will have a life of true meaning. Because when you are able to do that, you will achieve anything. It doesn't matter how long it will take any longer. Instead, the purpose that you are doing it for, right? The lives that you are changing. And there will be times where results seem like they're not coming at all for months and months and months on end. But you need to continuously push forward, because as long as you have that definite plan and you have the steps needed to get you to that plan and you stick to that, you don't deviate at all. And even if you might deviate and you might fall away, all you do is you find your way back to that true path, right? Because not every single person is motivated on a daily basis. And this is something else that I've noticed as well. People always ask, how do I stay motivated? How do I do my work when I don't feel motivated? Here's the thing. Motivation's bullshit at the end of the day. Not a single individual, no matter how successful they are, myself included, is motivated on a daily basis, right? But the difference between someone that succeeds and someone that doesn't is the standards and the principles they live their life by. Because when you set new standards for yourself, motivation, it doesn't matter whether it's there or whether it's not. You set new standards and you know you cannot breach those standards at all. So here's the perfect example. I don't know how to start an online fitness business, so I make it a standard to learn every single day for an hour from books, from YouTube videos, from courses, from whatever I could get my hands on to learn how to start an online business. Then I might get the business started, but I don't know how to get clients. So then I need to learn a marketing book, right? I set it as a standard for myself that I'm going to be learning on a daily basis in order to achieve every single thing that I want to achieve. And what do you think happens? 5, 6, 7 years of learning, right, gives you the life that you want to achieve. But you have to be willing to put in the work in order to get the results. And the results are not going to come overnight. They're going to take time. They're going to be hard. The process is going to be hard, right? Like, for example, I walked up this entire hill. It was not easy at all. In the very beginning of the video, you saw me and I seemed like I was out of breath. But now, when I'm at the top of the mountain, look what I see. I see this entire beautiful, immaculate view, and I'm probably the only person here because it's 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Everyone else is asleep while I decided to do the work, wake up, and take this beautiful hike, right? Now, it's so simple. Set a definite plan and don't focus on the result, but focus on why you are doing it. Focus on making the difference and focus on moving forward. And that's as simple as it is, because results are not going to come overnight, and you should not be deviated because they're not happening, immediately. It never happens immediately. There's no instant gratification at all. You have to be willing to put in the work, and you have to do it continuously over and over and over again. I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Business is doing the same task, right? The same repetitive task over a given period of time to get a desired outcome. It's as simple as that. There's no quick fix, there's no shortcuts, and that's it. To live a life of true meaningful purpose and to serve your clients as best as you possibly could, you have to be willing to put in the work, you have to be willing to learn, and you have to know that it is going to take time. But you cannot be lazy. You have to pursue it on a daily basis in order to get where you want to go. So for those of you that are trying, that might not be seeing results right now at this very moment in time, as long as what you are doing is moving you towards the goal where you want to get to, right? I've spoken about this in my previous video as well, which again, the link will be attached in the description. How you set a definite plan of purpose and then set the substructures in order to get to that plan. Once you can do that and you know that you are on course to get to where you want to be, all you need to do is go ahead and do it. Now, I've spent, as I've said, the last 6 years building this entire life for myself. And I've had trials, I've had errors, I've done so many things wrong, and this is why I succeed. So, if you would like to learn how to start an online fitness business, if you would like to learn how to market an online fitness business, but if you already have an online fitness business and you're looking to scale the business because you don't have enough clients, or maybe you have a surplus of clients, but you don't have enough time and you're trying to automate the entire process and find a way to be able to continuously move forward, then this video is for you, right? I have a blueprint. I've put together an entire course for fitness professionals just like you watching this video right now, right? All you need to do is click on the link in the description below, fill out a short application form, and then book a time to speak with one of my team members that will teach you exactly where you're going wrong in your business or what you could be doing better, and basically give you the step-by-step blueprint or an opportunity to join the step-by-step blueprint, which will take you from where you currently are to where I am today. Because I can assure you, 5 years ago, if someone had presented me with this offer, I would have been able to get here a lot faster. Again, it's not instant gratification, it's just taking a blueprint and moving forward with it. Because I've done it, I know what works and I know what doesn't. So you don't have to go through that process of finding out for yourself. You can just implement the strategies that I've put together and you can go ahead and live a life of true success. I'm not saying that it's going to happen overnight, but I'm saying it's going to happen a lot faster than 6 years. If you are serious about growing your online fitness business, if you are serious about marketing your business more effectively, and if you are serious about changing more lives than you can ever imagine, then this is for you. Click on the link below right now, fill out the short application form, and my team and I cannot wait to speak to you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this on a weekly basis. And if you've enjoyed this video, right, where I'm not in front of a whiteboard, I'm not at home, and I'm not in a formal setting, I'm more out in an adventurous space, and you loved seeing it, then comment below so that I know that this content works for you and that you want to see more of it, so I can do more of it as well, because I want to do what works for you as well. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys next week.